pitches out the window.
Is this the reserve line or no? Oh, you guys reserved already? Okay.
Now you're gonna have to close it.
It was like, I just want to plug it in and it works.
I don't know my number. Well, Michael just hold that if I can. I was thinking of going by that. So you get an email confirmation? Is someone from Belgium here? That is a co-op.
I know, back when you had to get your...
I know, I'm like, seriously, we have to.
Elevated surface, about 25 degrees.
Yo, we're here all night?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, we were.
How much longer? Are you guys right in front? Is this the front?
We're in the non-reserve line, so we gotta wait for all those guys to go first.
Wow.
I just asked the guy. I just asked him. I said, yeah. So, because I just remember they were going to make a question. Yeah. Something from that line. Yeah.